he told the judge he had no money, which he has $70,000 that he
All
put
right,
in a bank account.
Ms. Calkins, how much do you make an hour?
$10 an hour.
He makes $20 an hour, and
How do you know this?
because I have bank statements at my house that I have right here in front of me.
From wait,
But, you know, he makes deposits every Friday at his banking account.
I make a
hold on,
$50
wait.
deposit every
Hold
Friday.
on, Mr. Calkins. Hold on, wait, because now I'm intrigued.
Man, this courtroom turned into a reality show real quick. The judge is trying to figure out how Matthews, this mom's ex, went from jail time to holding $70,000, yet somehow paying zero child support. The mom's over here asking for help with child and medical bills, saying the kids are on Medicaid, but nobody can get a straight answer on what this dude actually makes. He's claiming $10 an hour in construction. She's saying 20, and the judge is just sitting there like, so who's lying? To make things weirder, they're not even legally married but share the same last name. You can't make this up. It's like a broke version of a sitcom with no laugh track. Seriously, how do you have $70K claim you're broke and still dodge child support? Let's dive into this mess.
The state will call Jody Calkins. Ms. Calkins, why wasn't there any child support ordered in the divorce decree that was from April 22nd, 2021?
Because Matthew Calkins was in Sabine County Jail, and he told the judge he had no money, which he has $70,000 that he
All
put
right,
in a bank account.
Ms. Calkins, so the reason why there was no support set in the previous order was because he was incarcerated at the time?
Yes, and said he had no money.
Right. And are you asking the court today to set child support and medical support?
Yes, sir, I am.
All right. What kind of health insurance do you have for your child, JC Calkins?
He has Medicaid.
All right. I have no further questions. I pass the witness.
Call you next week.
At this time, the state will call Mr. Calkins. Mr. Calkins, do you have any other minor biological children who are below the age of 18?
No, sir.
Where are you currently working?
Here in Hemphill, Texas.
All right. What do you do for work?
Construction.
Okay. Are you paid hourly?
Yes.
How much do you make an hour?
$10 an hour.
And how many hours do you work on average each week? And how many hours do you work on average each week?
About 40 hours a week, give or take, depending on weather and stuff.
And does your employer provide any health insurance?
No.
And do you have any other sources of income, or is that your only job?
That's my only income.
I have no further questions for Mr. Calkins.
Calkins, yes, sir.
All right.
I would like to call Ms. Calkins back for one additional question, Your Honor.
Okay.
Ms. Calkins, do you have any safety concerns about your address or contact information being disclosed in any order of the court?
No, sir.
No further questions.
Can I ask some questions about visitation?
Nope.
That's not.
They didn't file a lawsuit, Ms. Calkins, about visitation. Just child.
Okay.
So, no, you can't ask questions about visitation, but I don't mind telling you that I can't address visitation because nobody filed a lawsuit about visitation.
Okay.
The only issue before me today is the child support and the medical support. That's it.
Okay. That's fine.
Ms. Calkins, was there anything else that you did think I needed to know about the case before I made a ruling in regards to the child support and the medical support?
He makes $20 an hour, and
how do you know this?
Because I have bank statements at my house that I have right here in front of me.
From wait,
but, you know, he makes deposits every Friday at his banking account.
I make a $50 deposit every Friday.
Hold on, Mr. Calkins. Hold on, wait, because now I'm intrigued. All right, hold on a second. Ms. Calkins, do you work for the bank?
No, sir.
How do you have Mr. Wait, just answer my question, okay? Don't keep rambling on. How do you have access to Mr. Calkins' bank statement?
Because all his stuff is here.
I don't know where here is.
He's at my residence.
Okay, so all of his bank statements come to your house?
As far as I know, they have been, but
Okay, well,
these
hold on,
these
hold
old
on.
statements
Wait, these are old statements from when?
from August of
What year?
20 this year, August 31st of 23.
All right. So you have Mr. Calkins's bank statements. Quit moving around, Miss Calkins.
Yes,
You're
sir.
making me sick.
I'm
Okay.
sorry, I had to get up
It's
and get
okay.
the paper.
So Mr. Calkins's bank statements come to your house. They're mailed to your house.
Yes, sir.
Then she drops the bomb. She says she knows his real income because she saw his bank statements. But wait, she doesn't work at the bank. So how does she even have that info? Oh, she probably opened his mail. Yup, that's a federal crime. What's crazy is how chill she said it, like she just admitted to checking the weather. People forget. Opening someone else's mail can land you in federal court faster than a judge can say contempt. This is why judges want proof, not gossip. If she really did snoop, that judge's trust in her just flew out the window. It's wild how fast folks go from caring parent to full-blown private investigator.
All right. And you open them.
No, these are some old ones that was on top of the refrigerator.
All right. Well, they're not that old, ma'am, if they're from August
Well,
of
I mean, it's just,
23.
I found it on top of the refrigerator.
Mr. Calkins, how did your bank statements get on top of Miss Calkins' refrigerator?
And I don't know how they got opened. You're completely right, sir. I've been living here before August 31st.
Did you happen to leave some mail behind with Miss Calkins?
I didn't take no mail with me.
Okay. So it's possible you left bank statements behind.
Possibly, yes, sir.
Okay. Because you haven't opened any of his bank statements, right, Miss Calkins?
No, sir. It was
That'd be-
already been. It was just bank statements laying up there on the
Ah.
refrigerator.
All right. Mr. Calkins, is there anything else you think I need to know about this case before I make a ruling?
No, sir.
When did you get out of jail, Mr. Calkins?
July 27th to 22.
So you've been out of jail for what?
A little over a
16
year.
months?
About that, yes, sir.
Since he's been out of jail, Miss Calkins, have you and Mr. Calkins been living together?
We did at one point, yes, sir.
When did y'all separate?
We
A couple months
separated.
ago.
Hold on. I'll get to you, Mr.
Oh, I'm
Calkins.
sorry.
That's all right. I wasn't specific. That's not your fault. When did y'all separate Miss Calkins?
In August.
Okay. So you've only been separated a month.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. That makes things a little easier. Miss Calkins, are you and Mr. Calkins legally married?
No, sir.
All right. Because y'all have the same last name.
Yes, sir.
Why do you have the same last name, Miss Calkins?
I can't. When I got to the divorce, it came across pretty quick, and I.
Never mind. I'm sorry. You're good. You got divorced in 2021. You had his name then. Don't worry about it.
Yes, sir. That's fine.
Sometimes I get focused on the issue and I forget where it is I am. Okay.
Yes, sir. That's fine.
All right. Anything further from the state?
Nothing further, Your Honor.
Mr. Calkins, is there anything else you think I need to know about this case before I make a ruling?
No, sir.
All right. Child support's $300 a month, medical support's $50 a month, beginning October the 1st of 2023, and every month thereafter until the emancipation date of the child.
Yes, sir.
Court costs are due by Mr. Calkins, but I will give him until March 31st of 2024. How's that?
What is the amount of the court cost?
No idea, Mr. Calkins. No clue. I'm in 9 different counties, Mr. Calkins. I have no idea what the district clerk's office.
When and how would I be able to find out?
So when I'll sign the order that they send to me and I'll send it back to them, then they'll make a copy of it and send it to you. The AG's office will send it to you. Contained within that order will have the information for the Sabine District Clerk's office. You can call.
Now, will I be served, or do they have my address?
Well,
I haven't set up. I haven't set up the case yet
You haven't set up a
with
case.
the AG's office.
Well, I mean, the address that's going to be in my court order, wherever they served you.
Oh, that was at Sabine County Jailhouse then.
Oh, okay. Do you have a good address on him now, Mr. McNulty?
North Texas Street in Hemp Hill.
Is that right, Mr. Coughlin?
Yes, but there's another address that it could be. There's two possibilities, 2 different addresses on Texas.
Well, I don't
One
want you
was my.
I don't want you broadcasting.
One was my parole address, and one's my address now. That's what I'm trying to see. I mean, I'm not.
Yeah.
I don't care if anybody else knows my address. I don't.
Okay. I mean, it's just going to be broadcast to the internet. So if you just blurt it out, everybody that watches is going to be able to see it.
But that's fine. It's Texas Street.
That what you got, Mr. McNulty?
Yes, sir. Yes, Judge.
Okay. They have your correct address, Mr. Calkins. So when they send you the order, in the order will have the information about how to contact Sabine District Clerk. You can contact the district clerk and they'll tell you how much you owe.
Okay.
And then you'll have at least, 6 months from then to pay them. Okay.
Now here's the part that never makes sense. The guy always ends up paying the court costs. Like what? It's as if the system thinks he's got a hidden X-Drama savings account somewhere. If both sides show up and waste the judge's time, both should split the cost. But nah, in court, money isn't about fairness, it's about power. And honestly, I think she's more interested in that 70Ks than the truth. The crazy thing is, courts don't check every detail unless someone pushes for it. So half the time, it's not about who's right, it's about who sounds more believable. This whole case felt more like a tug of war than justice. What do you think, was the ruling fair or not? Drop your thoughts below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. This one's wild.